Inside an apartment at this Coeur d'Alene complex, twin girls were found living in squalor. Police say they were naked, covered in human feces, bruised and battered. The apparent abuse and neglect came to an end Sunday when Coeur d'Alene police rescued the two and arrested their mom and later their grandmother. We've now learned police have been at that apartment several times in the past. Elizabeth Crossley and Ruth Cassidy were arrested Sunday when a police officer found the two little girls in deplorable conditions. It was bad enough the officers knew the children needed emergency shelter. Several people told KXLY4 they called police about suspected abuse before. Today, Coeur d'Alene police confirmed it had responded to the apartment 7 times between November 2009 and last weekend. We don't have the actual reports yet, but we do know officers did not find probable cause to suspect abuse in those situations. In order to remove children from the home, they need to be able to prove a child is in imminent danger.
The case of the twin 2-year-old girls being abused in Coeur d'Alene has sparked an outpouring of love and support that has even caught social workers by surprise. KXLY4's Tania Dall is live in Coeur d'Alene tonight. And Tania, shows us what's being done, I should say, to make sure that these little girls are taken care of.
Well, Kalai, Dave, once people started hearing about the twins and their story, calls started coming into an agency here in town. In response, Idaho Department of Health and Welfare allowed the public to drop off items for the little girls. The agency says it's common to start receiving donations for kids in foster care during the holiday season. This week, however, lots of gifts have been pouring into the Coeur d'Alene office for the twin girls. Items like warm winter clothing, dolls, toys, anything to help the 2-year-olds transition. Stacy White is a child welfare chief and says in her 8 years on the job, she's never seen anything like this before.
This has been a pretty amazing and overwhelming response from our community, and it really tugs at your heartstrings to see that people, are really caring about what's happening to children in our community.
The agency has also gotten lots of calls from people wanting to become foster parents after hearing about the twins. A trust fund has also been set up for the Crossley twins. Donations can be dropped off at any U.S. bank branch. Reporting live in Coeur d'Alene, Tania Dall, KXLY4, HD News.